Well, contestant, well, for me, the greatest gift that I have received from God is my talent. My talent for not only my talent singing and dancing, but also my talent of being friendly and joyful to everybody, and most of all, my talent of being a good daughter to my parents. That's all. Thank you.
Wow,
Thank you, candidate number one. And next, we call on candidate
Number
number
9, Miss Aika Ibanez. Miss Aika Ibanez, so how do you feel right now na nag-back as the top 5? Nervous Japan. Okay, I will repeat the question. At your age right now, what is the greatest gift that you have received from God?
Well, the greatest gift from God is my life because I am here, alive, beautiful, and aiming to win. That's all. Thank you. Thank you.
Miss Laika Ibanez. Candidate number 3. Take the center stage right now.
Candidate number 3, Miss G.
Are you ready? You're ready.
Okay, I'll repeat the question. At your age right now, what is the greatest gift you have received from God? Thanks for that wonderful question. Well, the answer, the greatest gift that I received from God is my beauty. Because being beautiful gives me great confidence in carrying myself, and beauty is weapon for good expression towards people. That's all I can say. Thank you.
No wonder she's beautiful at that time. Sila ka ng beautiful ba? Sila ka ng beautiful sa ba? Sila ka ng beautiful. Okay. Candidate number 11 and 12. Please come forward. Kita mo lang doon wala na tawag. Okay. Sa to lang one.
11.
Ang taas na ng points.
Candidate number 11.
Candidate number 11. Are you ready, candidate number 11? Okay, ready na siya sa question, which is very confident. I will repeat the question. At your age right now, what is the greatest gift that you have received from God?
Makurintihan ka diha tabi niya ani.
The greatest gift that I received from God is love from my family, my friends,
My classmates, my
and
teachers,
my
neighbors.
lahat.
Kaya pala yun, really right.
Love at Catholic.
Thank you,
Okay,
candidate
the
number
last but
11.
not the least, I think we need an interpreter. Again. Okay, Mama Violeta. Okay, take the center stage, please. Candidate number 12.
Smile!
Do not cry. Are you crying? Wala di ari, oy. Sorry mo naman, good. Pinindot yung mata, pero buyag.
Sige.
Okay.
Yan, nakahata ang microphone sa mama para ma-interpret.
Okay. My question. So, I will repeat the question. At your age right now, what is the greatest gift that you have received from God?
Amen. Since this is the stands amen. Sabi noon ni sa matong si Lord daw daling o Lord look at me. Abi matong si so ito daling o Lord look at me. May gatong si 我的兄弟、我的妈妈、我的朋友们、我的friend。Ningon siya nga,
ang pinaka-greatest na gihatag sa ko niya is to have friends, but most is ako.
To have friends daw, but most of all, ikaw. Wow! Gift nga gihatag ni God niya. So, nag-isod na po ng atong judges.
Ito na itong judges. Sila mga astounding answer.
By the way, atong balik ko no, thank you, pasalamat ang atong sponsors. Kaya without them, wala dyan tayo mahatag ng trophy, wala tayo mahatag ng sash, wala dyan tayo mahatag ng